Is my voice audible?
Yes, Jehan.
Oh, thanks. Good morning, everyone. Now we will start the morning call. US markets were up around 0.5% yesterday, and Asian markets are up around 1% on an average. Uh, so global markets are up as US inflation slid to a two-year low, easing pressure on global markets from rising interest rates. US consumer price index slid to 3% in June on year-on-year basis, down from 4% in May. Core CPI came in below estimate at 4.8% year-on-year against estimate of 5%, and on month-on-month basis also it came at 0.2% against estimate of 0.3%. While economists predict that Federal Reserve will still go ahead with one more rate hike this month, the likelihood of further increases appears to be receding. So this is likely to be the last rate hike that we will see. This resulted in the dollar having its worst session in 5 months, falling more than 1% against the euro to its lowest in more than a year. And on the other hand, Brent crude rose above $80 for the first time since April, as softening US inflation would improve the demand outlook. Coming to India's macro data points, CPI increased to 4.81% in June after hitting a two-year low of 4.25% in May. Number can be attributed to a steeper than expected surge in prices of vegetables, especially tomatoes, over the past few weeks. Amidst the ongoing excess rainfall in North India, the surge in prices of perishable items, particularly vegetables, is likely to harden the food inflation further in the immediate term. Uh, so for July month, the expectation is of 5.4%. So quarter two estimate of RBI, they had given that they are expecting CPI of 5.2%. So with July itself being 5.4%, we think there are chances that CPI can be higher than RBI's estimate of 5.2%. Index of industrial production grew by 5.2% in May 2023 from 4.5% in April. The increase was on the back of robust factory output, which saw an all-time high growth of 19.6%. Capital goods segment on the whole grew by 8.2%. And even consumer durables grew by, although it grew by just 1%, but after being in the negative zone for last few months, this it seems to be recovering finally. I will now hand over the call to the technical team.
Thank you, Jehan. Good morning, all of you. We expect today gap up open, but during the day we see the volatility due to weekly expiry. Last 4 to 5 trading session, we saw that Nifty facing the immediate resistance around 19,500, 19,540 in spot Nifty. If Nifty break that level, then we expect the further rally till the Nifty open near this resistance zone and first 20 minutes. Trading below that important resistance zone and then we expect some volatility in market downside again nifty immediate support place around 19317 19300 if nifty break 19317 spot nifty then we expect the again the further sell off towards 19270 19200 at downside but upside immediate resistance place 19500 above that then we expect further rally till the date we see the volatile between the 19,500 and downside 19,300 bank nifty also facing the immediate resistance around 45,100 and if break that level close decisive up then we expect 45,340 and 45,700 and upside downside immediate support place around 44,500 and 300. Yesterday we saw that Bank Nifty trading near the that important support. If Bank Nifty break that level, then we expect further profit booking towards 44,200, at downside. Nifty also facing the immediate resistance. We expect some positive momentum, but upside immediate resistance place around 20,090, 20,190. Uh, First immediate support for intraday 19,003, 930. Below that, we expect further profit booking towards 19,800, at downside. So all three index facing the upside immediate resistance. If clear that, then we expect further rally. Otherwise, we in gap up, we expect some again profit booking higher end. So keep a stick stop loss to all trade. Stock specific, Mothers and Sumi looks positive. Already mentioned last month in Mothers and Sumi above 80 looks positive, and we expect this momentum to be continued towards 104, 105 rally. So Mothers and Sumi looks positive for intraday. 90 is the immediate support for Mothers and Sumi. Second, Biocon looks positive at this rate also that is 259, but we expect rally towards again 270 and 219 upside. Support place around intraday 250. Muthoot Finance also looks positive. Yesterday, last half an hour, we saw that positive momentum with volume. So we expect this momentum to be continued today's session also. Upside 1340, next immediate target for Muthoot Finance and stop loss around 1260. That's it for technical derivative I can carry.
Yeah, thank you. Good morning, everyone. So on the derivatives front, as I said yesterday, that for next 2 to 3 trading session, we might witness some profit booking of correction in the market towards 19 to 200 level. Now, if we look at the overall scenario, we are seeing that the Y position is continuously adding on for the call writers at 17,500 and 600 strike till the time Nifty spot is not going above 19,500 level and not getting stability above 19,500 level, till that point of time we should not create any new long position. So today we are seeing that SGX is likely to open almost around 90 to 100 points on the upper end, but again we might face some resistance near that zone. So we should be cautious at the current level. Once Nifty gets open around 19,480, 19,500 level, at that point of time we should again create new short positions. While we are seeing that the PCROI closed at 0.92 level. Once in today's session, if PCR goes below 0.86, then there might be a confirmation for fresh short position in the market. So as per the overall scenario, market seem to be a bit cautious as per yesterday's trading session. While on the stock specific front, the positive stocks would be Bharat Electric, BL, Siemens, and Polycab. These three counter looks positive. While on the negative front, we are seeing that Delta Corp, Ultratech Cement, and Bata India. This city counter looks negative for today's trading session. So that's it from the derivative front. Thank you.
Oh, Subros has said that the government has issued rules
Jehan, you're not audible.
and announced
Jehan, you're not audible. Okay, I'll take it. TCS had posted result yesterday, and the company had posted broadly in line with expectation set of numbers for the quarter. Order book came at $10.2 billion. That too without considering BSNL deal, which is ahead of expectation. Trend wise, deal large deal size is same as last quarter. CC year-on-year growth came at 7% for the company. Dollar revenue came at 7,226 million, which is up 0.4% QOQ. EBIT margins dipped to by 132 bips and came at 23.2%. The company had an impact of wage hike this quarter. Looking at the good order book, management indicates long term looks confident. However, near term there is uncertainty as clients are taking month-on-month approach. Clients continue to reprioritize preferring business critical projects and those with faster ROI. Cost optimization, vendor consolidation, and integrated operations are on high on priorities. Outlook is long-term positive. Share is trading at a P of 25.3 times FY24 EPS. HCL Tech had posted below expectation numbers for the quarter, although Q1 is a seasonally weak. Revenues came in lower than management's expectation. TCV came at 1,565 million, and CCQOQ revenue growth came at negative 1.3%. EBIT margins dipped by 122 bips and came at 17%. The company has maintained FY24 revenue guidance of 6 to 8% year on year in CC terms and services revenue to be in the range of 6.5 to 8.5%. The ask rate in the coming quarter will be high to meet the guidance. EBIT margin is expected to be in 18 to 19%. On account of spike in booking for Q2, management has kept its guidance intact. Outlook is near term now negative. Uh, HCL Tech is also to acquire ASAP Group company. ASAP is an engineering service software development provider for the automotive industry, which is having an revenue of euro 154.3 million in CY22. The acquisition cost is euro 251.1 million. Although the outlook based on result is negative, the acquisition is positive. Dreamfolks and Plaza Premium Group, a global leading airport hospitality provider with the world's largest network of independent airport lounges, have announced a collaboration to include over 340 plus Plaza Premium launches in over 70 plus major international airports into Dreamfolks global launch network, offering an enhanced travel experience to its members worldwide starting 24 July 2023. This is positive to Dream folks. Thank you.
Yeah, good morning. Hindalco Industries has approved a proposal to sell a land parcel at Kalwa in Maharashtra for 595 crores. This land parcel is located in the Kalwa MIDC area and has a total area of around 13 acres. This strategy this is a part of a company's strategy to focus on its core businesses and reduce its debt. The proceeds from the sale will be used to repay debt and for other general corporate purposes. So this is neutral for Hindalco industry. Thank you.
Subros has said that government has issued draft rules and announced that it will mandate AC in cabins of certain types of commercial vehicles. This rule will be applicable from January 2025. Subros has also informed that it sees incremental business opportunities in commercial vehicle AC component manufacturing with the amendment of Central Motor Vehicle rules. So this is an incremental positive for Subros. Pritika Engineering and Pritika Auto, their boards have approved raising of capital by Pritika Engineering, which is a subsidiary of Pritika Auto, through preferential issue of up to 82 lakh shares. Promoters and strategic investors will be participating in the issue. So this is positive for both the companies. Anand Rathi Wealth result has improved. AUM came at 43,400 crores, up 11% quarter on quarter, and up 32% year on year. Revenue and profits grew faster at 22% sequentially and 33% year on year. Stock is trading at 21 times, and we remain positive on Anand Rathi Wealth. 5 Paisa Capital result is okay. Revenue declined 7% sequentially and was flat year on year. EBITDA was flat sequentially. As of now, we are neutral, but we also have to note that Angel's previous MD, Mr. Gangadhar, has joined the 5 Paisa. So one needs to closely see if the execution of 5 Paisa improves from here on. Then we might turn positive in the future. Thank you.
Good morning. Patanjali Ayurved Limited is set to launch its offer for sale of 2.5 crores of face value of rupees 2 each of Patanjali Foods Limited, representing 7% of its total paid up equity share capital. The non-retail investors can bid on July 13 and retail investors can bid on 14 July. The promoter will also sell additional 2% if there is an oversubscription. The floor price for the offer is rupees 1,000 compared to the current market price of 1,224. So this looks positive. Thank you.
Commodities team can take over.
Yeah, thank you very much. Good morning, everyone. We witnessed positive biasness in commodities yesterday, and this trend might continue. So, buying on dips is recommended. Though some commodities have opened gapped up, we recommend to buy on dips. So, gold one can initiate a buy around 59,100 to 59.50 and maintain a stop loss of 58,900. On upside, we are looking for 59,400 to 59,600 on the upside. Silver prices also opened gap up, and we expect some cool off till 73,273,000, and around these level one can enter long. We are expecting prices to test 74,500 to 75,000 on upside. So looks positive. Buy on dips should be the strategy. In crude oil also 6,200 good level to enter long. So buy around those levels and maintain a stop loss of 61.20. On upside again 6,300, 6,350 is the target we are looking for. Natural gas prices could consolidate from 212 to 223. So for trading purpose, one can initiate a sell around 222 and maintain a stop loss of 227. On lower side again 215, 212 is a good area again to cover the take the profits. In metal front, copper looks positive. One can initiate a buy around 726, 725 and maintain a stop loss of 718. On upside, we are looking for 736, 738 on higher level. Zinc prices are also trading in a positive territory after breaching the consolidation of from 216 to 12. So we are looking for positive upside till 222, 223. So buying on dips in zinc is also recommended. One can maintain a stop loss of 215. Similarly, aluminum also looks positive. So buying around 199, 198.50 and maintain a stop loss of 197. On upside, we are looking for 202. That's it from my end. I'll ask Utkarsh to take the call forward.
Hey, sir. Very good morning, all of you. For today's trading session in USD and we are expecting some more downside. So for intraday purpose, if we get any pullback around 82.10 to 82.18 levels, one can initiate a short positions for the target of 81.92 and 81.85 levels. The six stop loss of 82.26 levels. In Euro and the buying momentum will carry forward for today's sessions. So one can initiate long positions if we get any profit booking around 91.25 to 91.08 levels with a strict stop loss of 90.84 for the target of 91.70 and 91.83 levels. In GPY INR, one can initiate a long positions in the range of 59.17 to 59 levels. Stop loss of 58.79 for the target of 59.65 and 59.85 levels. Thank you.